Good morning, Ruru. I got a new phone. I have storage space to take video now. But first things first, I gotta show you this truck I cleaned out. How you feeling about your new clean truck?
Huh?
I said, how you feeling about your new clean truck?
Sad.
Sad?
Yeah, it's gonna get dirty.
Yeah, at least it still runs.
Yeah.
Just trying to burn all my boxes in the fire pit, and this boy loves cardboard, and he grabbed a box and took off running, and he couldn't see, and he ran right into me. That youngin'. Hey! Oh, hey! Oh. Oh my god, you can't even see where you're going. Oh, that hurt. It looks fantastic. It does. Where are you? Oh.
Crazy down there.
Oh no, I think it's perfect.
It'll be fine. Take a chainsaw to it.
It's perfect. What'd you say? Oh. It's ventilation. It really does look good. I'm proud of you.
Huh?
I'm proud of you.
Why? Finishing something?
Yeah. Why do you feel the need to do this? This is how people get broken ankles. Rudy. It's not even hot out here. Why are you digging a hole to lay in? Where you going? You going somewhere?
China.
Okay, Rudy. Let's clean up this hot mess of a barn. Pretty sure they just come in here to poop. I don't know why we have to do that when we have the whole field out there. But that's what they do. There's poop on it. Don't eat it. Quit eating it. While I'm out here cleaning poop, I figured I'd do a poop test. I haven't done one in a while. So trying to get it nice and broken down. Come on, let's eat our sand stuff while poop is marinating. Come on. I got the poop over here hanging up, marinating. There's a little bit of sand in it, but I don't know what else to do except give them their stuff every day. I feel like they're just little ticking time bombs. This pasture out here is just junk. We had talked about moving them down to the cows just to reseed this pasture and give it a rest for a little while. But thing is, when I move them down there, I can't. They're not as easily accessible to give them the sand clear, so it's just whatever. This side of the pasture we seeded in the fall, it looks a little better. It's got some green stuff growing, but it's still not it's not super thick. So I think the honeybees are out today. I thought it would be too cold for them. So anyway, I don't know what else to do except move them down to the cows while we get this pasture in order a little bit. I got back from checking the cows and there's a new tree missing in the yard. Apparently that tree was in his way. What do you think, boy? Okay then. I got to working over here on this grain bin spot and I already transplanted something right there. But hold on, let me spin you around. Nobody wants to see my face anyway. Okay, back here behind it, he's been clearing it out. I think I'm gonna plant some trees back here, but now we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna take that little stump off right there. There's a half dead tree right there. Gonna take that down, and then, trying not to make you dizzy, this tree right here that leans over the driveway, this one right here, the thick one, this is not the same tree, it's a different one, but this big one right here, I call them monkey trees. I don't know what I don't know what they are. I think they're called like a stink tree or a tree of heaven or something. That's kind of a bad name for a stink tree. Tree of heaven. Anyway, they're actually considered a weed. And anything you see growing, those little tan tassel-y things, it's all. They drop the little, why am I stuttering? They drop those little seed pods everywhere and sprout up, and they will grow like this tall in a season. So I'm gonna get him to cut that down. It's over the driveway anyway. And then it'll give this little tree and those back there some room to grow. And this right here is getting covered up. This is a crabapple tree I planted. It's so big, it's gotten so big. But those other trees are suffocating it.
Why do you want to cut it down? Think about how much damage it's going to cause cleaning it up. I mean, I can drive it. That ain't no problem.
I always got projects.
Look, I can't make everything beautiful at one time.
Worked on lining my little pathway with my rocks. I gotta get more so the rocks don't keep going into mulch. This over here, I just got some stuff. I don't know if these are gonna work. I was trying to root some holly, but I don't know if they're gonna work. These are, what are these? The white daisies. Shasta daisies. And I dug all of these little things up. I think these are, they're called rutabaga. What is it? Black-eyed Susans. So we'll see what happens. It's my little, oh, and I found a pine tree stuck in a pot. Thank you for being such a good sport. Hey bud, can you come here out of the way? I was talking to Rudy. Can you come here? Ru! Ru, here. Did you get scared?
Huh?
Did you get scared?
Well, you gotta get out of the way because it might kick back.
I'm just messing with you.
You see that shit?
Yes, and you didn't even mess up my crab apple. Unibomb.com. High five, man. Oh, oh. Yep. And Rudy's helping clean up. Did it get you, Roo?
The rest of I get.